And of course, those high winds and potential for lakeshore flooding have tree companies and first responders on standby all night. News 4's Patrick Ryan is live in North Buffalo. And Patrick, how are things looking there? It seems windy.
Marley, those strong winds certainly blowing through North Buffalo here on Elmwood Avenue. I almost fell over right before you came to us. But Western New Yorkers, of course, no stranger to severe weather. And after an already tough start to the year, companies like Tony's Tree Service say people need to be extra careful.
We go marching into the eye of the storm.
Anthony Bartuca's family have been in the tree removal business for 3 generations. He says Saturday night's high winds, buckets of rain, and flooding are a recipe for falling trees.
What we're concerned about today is we've gotten all this rain. Now the ground is soft, and all the soil around the root balls, and the roots have all softened up, so the stability for the root system is compromised.
Bartuca says especially with this year's wild weather, people should consider getting a tree close to their home inspected.
Because you got to remember, your homes are only made out of 2x4s and plywood. On these limbs with the inertia and the momentum, they can come crashing through, these homes, and people can get seriously injured, if not worse.
In the town of Hamburg, Route 5 is known to flood. Town emergency manager Sean Crotty says there's one thing working in their favor Saturday evening.
The temperature's above freezing, so typically it's a lot more dangerous when the temperature's below freezing, because then that overspray then ends up freezing once it hits the roadway. So that presents a good thing for us tonight. That's one in our favor. But we really work with the state DOT to make sure that their roadway, Route 5, is safe. And then we get into the residential areas, and Hoover Beach is one of them that's a little bit more low-lying along the lake shore, and we work with the neighbors and communicate with them to make sure that they're in a safe position.
Crotty says if you encounter flooding in the roadway, don't try to go through it because you don't know how deep the water is or what's beneath. He says although it's been a tough year, his crews are ready to swing into action when needed. Bartuca agrees and says his team is always standing by.
They are getting fatigued, but we are rotating them out even more so now because there's so many storms coming in.
And Sean Crotty told me about an hour ago that those waves along Route 5 in the Hoover Beach neighborhood of Hamburg, reaching about 14 feet, crashing over the floodwalls. We also do want to remind you that if you look outside and you don't see any downed tree limbs, to still make sure you're looking up because there might be loose tree branches in the trees overhead that could come falling down at a moment's notice. For now, reporting live in North Buffalo, Patrick Ryan, News 4.